Hi, I'm Sandra Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro Team, RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, and I'm excited to share with you a new listing at 401 Christopher Drive in Camdenton. This is a great 4-bedroom home in a nice neighborhood that's only minutes from the school campus and all the other conveniences of Camdenton. The bonus in this home is that they have already started an additional full bathroom, so you can immediately come in, finish that out, and increase the functionality and the equity in this home. Let's take a look. So if you like what you've seen in this home tour and you would like to get into the home over the summertime so that you can finish out that bathroom and put your personal stamp inside, give us a call at 1-800-836-2005 or check us out at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks so much for watching.